If all of it were to melt overnight, the global sea level would rise approximately 230 feet. That's enough to cover London's Tower Bridge. All 7 continents would be partially underwater. There'd be no Miami and no London. The coast of Australia would be washed out, together with 80% of its residents. So would Venice and the Netherlands. Things wouldn't be that bad for Africa, but with the extreme heat waves that follow, most of the continent would be uninhabitable. Think floods would wash out humanity entirely? Well, not all of it.